G'day and welcome back to another episode of Garage Blitz. Today we're in Harrington Park doing a modular cabinet install. These are our Australian-made modular cabinets. They're built to a standard size, 600 wide, 900 wide or 2.1 wide, and they're either 900 high or 2.1 high. They come in obviously the standard sizes so we can install them into your garage very quickly, and also for the fact that they save money in regards to compared to our custom cabinetry. But the biggest thing is that their quality is a lot better than something like you get from a large hardware store or a other furniture chain. They're designed to last a lifetime in the garage. They're made from green tag certified materials, so they're environmentally friendly in that regard. All the timbers sourced from regenerative forests. Also, our 900 wide shelves will hold up to 60 kilograms, uniformly distributed over the entire shelf. So they make them superior to obviously your large hardware, flat pack chains, cabinets and products like that. You've got your Blum soft close hinges and all quality fixtures and fittings. So a lot better option than what you get from a large hardware chain, designed to actually hold some decent weight and last a lifetime in the garage. So if you're looking for quality garage cabinets, look no further than our CGC custom garage cabinet modular range. Like we said, we also do our custom floor to ceiling cabinetry. There we go. Cheers. Thank you for watching Garage Blitz.